Many years ago, I worked as a CFO of a government contractor and we purchased a new IBM mainframe for several $100,000. The CEO and our government client were anxious to get this new system working, so we ended up utilizing our line of credit to complete the purchase with the assurance from IBM Credit that they would process and complete our financing within a few weeks. 6 months later, after sweating cash on a daily basis and screaming at IBM on an hourly basis, our financing finally came through. It was not till years later, reading a book called Reengineering Management, that I understood what occurred. During the time this was happening, IBM Credit Corporation, a separate company from IBM, employed about 5,000 people and took between 6 months and a year to complete a single financing application. As this became more and more of a problem, IBM Credit took a look at their policies and procedures in place and made the following discoveries. Around 90% of the applications could be almost instantly approved or disapproved. Only approximately 10% required additional information where the risk could not be easily assessed. But IBM Credit treated all applications in an equal way, and they all underwent the same processes of risk management assessment despite the variances in the application quality. Finally, IBM Credit discovered their process involved excellent internal controls, where the applications moved from various employees assigned a specific task to the next employee who worked on another task. Unfortunately, the result of this was IBM discovered that 99% of the 6 months spent processing an application was actually time spent in an outbox or an inbox. End result? IBM Credit reworked their processes to a case management system where one employee handled the application process from start to finish, and where the difficult applications were farmed out for additional work and then returned back to the case manager. Average processing time dropped to 2 weeks.